Happy New Year, lovelies! Wishing you a beautiful 2025 filled with lots of laughter, light, and love. Now let's get into today's video. I'll be showing you how to prepare this delicious, easy, one-pot chicken and rice dish that is bursting with flavors from every corner. Let's start by preparing the base for the dish. Place all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. This base contains bay leaves, chili pepper, some fresh herbs, spice mix, garlic, red pepper, yellow paprika, spring onions, and olive oil. The list of all the ingredients used is listed in the description section, so please check it out. Once the base is ready, pour 1/3 of it into the chicken, which I already cleaned, and marinate for around 30 minutes. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. After marination, add the chicken into a saucepan with a bit of vegetable oil and brown on each side for around 5 minutes. Once browned, remove the chicken and set aside. Using the same saucepan, add tomato paste and saute for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the rest of the chicken base and saute for around 5 to 7 minutes. Then add the washed rice and mix together. Add chicken bouillon seasoning and enough water to cook the rice until it is well done. Add the chicken which we already browned. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix together, taste, and adjust the seasoning if required. And at this point, cover and cook until both the chicken and the rice are well done. And voila, the one-pot rice is ready to be enjoyed. This turned out to be absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, please don't forget to check out the rice video that is also included at the end of the video. Until next time, remain blessed.